the beginning and in critical times, the United States supported us. In the 60s when we had agriculture collapse because of the turmoil that was happening not only in Indonesia but all over Southeast Asia.
Prabowo sebut AS mitra terkuat, singgung peran saat masa kritis 1960-an. Presiden RI, Prabowo Subianto, menyebut Amerika Serikat, AS, sebagai salah satu mitra terkuat Indonesia. Ia juga mengungkap peran penting negeri Paman Sam dalam berbagai fase krusial perjalanan bangsa. Pernyataan itu disampaikan Prabowo saat menghadiri Business Summit di US Chamber of Commerce, Washington DC, Amerika Serikat, Rabu, 18 Februari 2026, waktu setempat. Dalam forum tersebut, Prabowo mengaku telah bertemu sejumlah pemimpin bisnis Amerika Serikat. Ia menegaskan, pemerintah Indonesia membuka diri bagi perusahaan-perusahaan AS untuk menjadi mitra strategis.
So I've met many American business leaders, even the short time that I've been here. Now I'm meeting you. I'm very optimistic. We want to see American companies as strategic partners.
Ujar Prabowo. Ia menegaskan, pemerintah Indonesia berkomitmen melindungi para investor serta menciptakan iklim usaha yang kondusif. Saya rasa saya telah membuktikan bahwa pemerintah Indonesia dan saya sendiri selalu berupaya melindungi investor kami, menjadi tuan rumah yang baik, dan menghasilkan atmosfer terbaik bagi para investor. Lanjutnya, Prabowo menekankan, hubungan Indonesia dan Amerika Serikat tidak semata-mata dibangun atas kepentingan ekonomi saat ini. Ia menyebut Indonesia tidak pernah melupakan dukungan AS dalam perjuangan kemerdekaan hingga masa-masa sulit setelahnya.
And the US is one of our strongest partners. We can never forget that the United States supported our independence struggle. Basically, the United States intervened on our side during our War of Independence, and that can never be forgotten in our history. Many times the United States intervened, helping Indonesia in the critical times. So that I also tell the younger generation of Indonesians to not forget the role that the United States played in in the birth of our nation, politically and also economically.
Ujarnya. Prabowo kemudian mencontohkan bantuan AS pada periode 1960-an ketika sektor pertanian Indonesia mengalami kemunduran akibat gejolak di Asia Tenggara. Saat itu, AS memberikan dukungan melalui program PL 480, Public Law 480, atau bantuan pangan.
In the beginning and in critical times, the United States supported us. In the 60s when we had agriculture collapse because of the turmoil that was happening not only in Indonesia but all over Southeast Asia. In the 60s, the United States came to us providing relief. I still remember, I think it was called PL 480. It was very important for us, significant, and so we hope for a stronger American presence in our economy, and I want to assure you that we are working very hard to basically for our interest. For the interest of our people. The Indonesian people demand a good governance, demand a clean government. This is my position.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.